Connect to Smart HQ. What? It's
Smart. You need to download.
Yeah, an app. Yeah. So I need
Smart
my phone.
HQ. Wow. Sanitize with Oxy downloaded. Did you download?
Oh, it's downloading it now.
Set up Wi-Fi. Oh, it need time.
Yes. Well, okay, move it off and then back on there. Get up, yep. Here you go, and I should be able to click. Oh, it went away. It should take you to the website. Oh, it went away again. Okay. Okay, hold it still. Whoop. Get closer, closer, closer.
There you go.
By learning your load patterns, fabric types, and habits, you may notice that total cycle times will adjust during a cycle and vary based on load size, fabric type, and your selected options. Extra large loads, like a king-size comforter, may take slightly longer, whereas a smaller load of activewear may be shorter. At the end of the cycle, certain items and the air inside may feel slightly humid due to the airtight seal. Simply remove the items, giving them a quick shake, and they will feel dry in seconds. A more dry option is also available to suit your preferences. To help prevent overdrying, your ultra-fast combo uses sensors, lower temperatures, and high airflow for maximum care of all your laundry. Because your ultra-fast combo is gentler on clothes, less lint will be generated. Notifications remind you when the dual-stage filter needs to be cleaned. Clean the mesh side after every few loads, similar to a standard dryer. The foam side, which captures microparticles to deliver maximum airflow, should be rinsed. Connect to the Smart HQ app to update with the latest software and experience all your ultra-fast combo.
So ngayon, na-try na natin washing tayo ng dalawang curtains, tapos delicates lang yung na-select natin, tapos wash and dry na siya. Maghintay pa tayo ng 1 oras and 8 minutes bago mag-dry. So, napakaganda din yan. Hintay na lang tayo na mag-dry siya, tapos mag-fold ng ating laundry. So, yan na siya. Hintayin na lang natin ng 1 oras and 8 minutes. Napakadali lang. Tapos na siyang naglalaba at nagda-dry na lang siya. Kita niyo dyan. Wash complete na siya. So, ayan na. Nagsimula na siyang mag-cool down. Ayan. 1 minute na lang talaga yung hihintayin. Kagandahan kasi nito is nakakonect siya sa Wi-Fi at saka pwede mo siya i-control sa iyong cellphone. Pwede mo siyang iset na maglaba gamit ang iyong cellphone. Pwede mo siya i-click yung normal, yung towels, bulky beadings, at kusa na siyang magkita dito at mag-wash and dry na siya gamit lang yung cellphone. Cycle finish. Dry na siya. Let's see. Nag-click na yan.